Today we're going to talk back squat versus front squat, and specifically how the different techniques can change the amount of stress on your knee joint. Let's turn to some simple science. When you descend into a squat, we can freeze frame it at a parallel depth and use the positions of the body to calculate and determine the length of the moment arm, the distance from the vertical line of gravity pulling down on the bar to the joint in question, in this case the knee joint. When we compare a front squat to a back squat, the more upright torso of the front squat means the knee must move further forward over the toes, creating a longer moment arm relative for that joint. This means if we squat to the same relative depth with a similar percentage of each lift, there will be a little more torque comparatively placed on the knee in the front squat. This means the front squat will often place more force on the structures of the knee, like the patellar or quad tendon, or more compression on the backside of the kneecap, making the back squat a potentially better way to manipulate torque in order to train around pain while we rehab. For someone dealing with knee pain, understanding torque manipulation with technique modification can allow some of us to potentially continue training while we fix what we can fix through rehab. Now, another way to modify load besides manipulating torque angles is by limiting depth. By squatting to a box, we limit how much knee over toe translation the body needs to stay balanced, therefore decreasing stresses to the knee. Now, manipulating load is only part of fixing knee pain. We must also work to uncover and address movement issues that often lie at the root cause of symptoms. But I hope now you have a little better understanding for the first part of the equation.